Guru Nation, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Really means a lot to me. If you don't know what to comment, put a robot emoji. It helps me out with the algorithm tremendously. You guys don't even know. I got asked a question on YouTube, actually, so shout out to you YouTubers. Thank you for helping me reach 20K. Next stop, 100K. We're not celebrating until 100K, so like, subscribe, comment, share. Let a friend know. I got a question. Can a CRA, how far can a CRA advance in this industry? Could they be director? Could they maybe even be a CEO? So let me start with CEO first, all right? To be the CEO of a publicly traded company takes a certain skill set. You see some people like Travis Mickle comes to mind from Chem Farm, where he's strictly a scientist that figured out how to do it. Elon Musk at Tesla's another guy, engineer, figured out how to be a CEO. The founders usually are the ones who are the initial CEOs until they appoint a better CEO. But in the case of a CRA, like to become, if you're a CRA for IQVIA, to become the CEO of IQVIA is crazy because you're not the founder. You have no skill set when it comes to managing public investors. That's really one of the hardest things to do. There's so many regulations. You think we have a lot of regulations in regards to FDA? There's so many regulations regarding the Securities and Exchange Commission when it comes to being a CEO of a publicly traded company. So I think no, but you can definitely be a director, and I think the natural progression would be from CRA to lead CRA, and then maybe clinical trial manager, and then from there you can get in as a director or even an executive at either a smaller CRO or a smaller biotech company like a sponsor, because in those situations they are looking for people with clinical research know-how, clinical research chops, because if you're talking about a small CRO, chances are they need the expertise. If you're talking about a small sponsor, chances are they got the science part down, but they don't have the clinical research operations down. But to be the CEO of like a big CRO like IQVIA, Parexel, PPD, I think that's a little bit wishful thinking. Not to say it can't happen, all right? Prove me wrong, Guru Nation, but you're going to need like an MBA or something, like something that Wall Street will approve, unless, of course, you're the founder, which there's been cases like that. So CRA can go far. What is much more likely is CRA becoming a site owner and being a really good site owner when they're kind of done being a CRA. But site owner and director level are about the same as far as frequency that I see in the industry from CRAs. So there is a lot you can do, and especially if you become a generalist CRA where you learn a lot, or you learn about a lot of different things, about a diversity of topics and skill sets. You develop a diverse skill set across clinical research, multiple therapeutic indications, different aspects, like try to get into some data management, try to get into some regulatory affairs, try to get into some project management type of stuff. Bottom line, no matter what you want to do, if you want to grow beyond CRA and even beyond like lead CRA and maybe even beyond CTM, clinical trial manager, you have to network. You have to start going to conferences. As big as this industry is, there's a relatively small number of people that make most of the top-down decisions. You need to get at those conferences. You need to get on those speaking circuits with these people so that they know who you are and that you start having dialogues with them, because it's more about who you know at that stage rather than what you know. And LinkedIn, of course, and try to think of ways to contribute more to LinkedIn, add value. Thank you, Guru Nation. Good luck. Let's go far. Talk to you soon.